Today I'm going to be teaching you how to crochet these sprouts so that you can crochet them on little pieces like I did here, and I put it on a bucket hat. So let's get started. To start off this pattern, the yarn I'm going to be using, I just have a little bit left over, and I'm using the Peaches and Cream yarn. I believe you get it from Walmart. And the first thing you're going to do is start off with a slip knot. And you're going to chain 10. Now once you have chained 10, you're going to count down from the hook 1, 2, 3. In the third chain from the hook, you're going to do a double crochet. And then in the next stitch, you're going to do a half double crochet. And then in every stitch down, you're going to do one single crochet. So this is your stem. From here, we are going to be making the sprout leaves. So we're going to crochet 10 again. Then I'm going to slip stitch in the second chain from the hook. Single crochet in the next stitch. Half double crochet in the next stitch, double crochet in the next stitch, and then we're going to do a treble increase in the next stitch, which just means doing 2 treble crochets in the same stitch. So to start, we have slip stitch, single, half double, double, and 2 treble crochets. Then we're going to do another double crochet in the next stitch. Then a half double crochet, a single crochet, and then a slip stitch into the last stitch, and then you're going to turn and you're going to slip stitch into the next stitch on the opposite side. We worked on the one side, now we're going to be working on the other side. Single crochet in the next stitch, half double, double, treble increase in the next stitch, then you're going to do a double in the next stitch, half double, single, and then in the top one you're going to slip stitch, now that we have one side of the sprout done, we're going to slip stitch all the way through until we get to the other side of the sprout tip, and I'll show you guys how to do that. So taking your yarn and like pulling it up through the back, you're gonna go through one of these little holes, pull it up, and make a slip stitch. go through a little hole, pull it up, make a slip stitch, and just do that all the way down the stem, down the center of the leaf. And you can see it's gonna make like this cute little border right down the leaf. I actually don't love this little blip right here, so I'm gonna undo it real quick, which is really easy. You just pull through. Now I'm going to go into the top of the stem, and I'm going to slip stitch there as well. And then I'm going to chain 10. And now we're going to work on the second leaf. Okay, so I don't know if you guys saw that, I'll redo it. But basically where I slip stitched into the corner, I'm going to do a slip stitch into that slip stitch, and then from here, the first one on the leaf. So we're gonna take this tail, I'm gonna make it a little shorter. So in this first one right here, I'm actually going to slip stitch onto the leaf now, and then the first one is going to be a single crochet on top of the tail, then a half double, in the next stitch a double crochet, in the next stitch 2 treble crochets, a treble increase, then we're going to do a double crochet into the next stitch, half double crochet into the next stitch, and then a single crochet, and then at the very top we're going to do a slip stitch, and then we're going to do the same thing. We're going to put a little spine down the center, so we're going to pull up the yarn from behind and slip stitch it all the way down, creating this little pattern on the front side of the leaf. And then for the last one, I'm going to cut it. And then I'm just going to take the tail and pull it through to hide it in the back. And this is our little sprout. With a stem. With one of these little fabric needles, and I'm going to just kind of push her through all of the little ridges and hide the tail as best as I can. And I can cut it. And here's our finished little sprout. Isn't she cute?